Okay, guys. Switched out the fuel pressure regulator. It seems to have gotten rid of my hesitation, which is great. I do have to order one of these. My good buddy, Quebec classic BMW guy, yeah, like I should just always follow what he's saying. And when he did his, he ordered one and had it when he did this, because this is extremely brittle. I called BMW. Of course, they're not open today on a Saturday. Anyways, did an oil change, and I'm just kind of concerned about the sound coming off those valves. I don't think they've ever been adjusted. So, what do you guys think? I think it's probably time for an adjustment. But for a December day, it's running great. I'm just gonna check my because I put a new rat in it. Just gonna check my coolant, make sure it's up for these type of temperatures, because I might have to drive this old girl a few times here in January, just not on the sloppy days, but on the nice days. And one of the interesting things, actually, I had to unplug my washer. I think this side is the washing fluid for the headlights, but my motor just started going off and on by itself. I don't know if anybody else has experienced that, but I just unplugged it. But I'm driving down the road, and all of a sudden the little motor just starts going. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out.